Are you looking for the best travel camera? In this video we will look at some of the best travel camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Olympus TG5 Camera. The Olympus TG5 is the toughest travel camera on our list. It's fully waterproof, sports an extra rugged design, and includes a built-in GPS for navigation if you ever get lost in the wilderness. There's no doubt about it. If you're looking for a rugged and waterproof camera for all your wild adventures, the Olympus TG5 is the travel camera for you. The camera can be fully immersed in water up to 50 feet in depth, dropped from 7 feet without any damage, and withstand 220 pounds of crushing pressure. It's built to last, making it the perfect fit for travel photographers who love the thrill of adventure travel. Related, if you like this device, we bet you will also want to check the best compact cameras. Being this tough comes with some drawbacks, however. For starters, the camera doesn't feature an articulated display, which can make for some awkward bending and stretching to get the best shot. The menu can also be confusing at times. Regardless of some of the design flaws, the Olympus TG5 can shoot video in 4K, an impressive feat for such a compact camera, capturing all the best moments of your travels in stunning clarity. This is truly one of the best video cameras for travel. Another great option of the same maker is the Olympus OMD M1 Mark II Micro Four Thirds system camera, which has an advanced autofocus system and continuous shooting capabilities. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix FZ80 Camera. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80's call to fame is its huge 60x zoom range, the biggest range on our list of travel cameras. It can also shoot 4K video and images, making this the ideal choice for capturing high-quality images for travel blogging. 4K images and 4K video are what make the Panasonic Lumix FZ80 stand out from the rest of the crowd, along with its impressive 60x zoom range. And while you'll only be able to capture video at 24 frames per second, you'll still end up with breathtaking footage. The Lumix falls a little short when fully zoomed in since it doesn't feature very good image stabilization, but with some practice, you can still get crisp pictures at 60x. Using this travel camera is made easy with a touch-screen LCD display. The display is unfortunately fixed to the rear of the camera, but this was fairly easy to overlook after a few photoshoots. In the end, this is the closest you'll get to a digital SLR, or DSLR, experience with an advanced compact travel camera, which is perfect for travel bloggers who want to capture the best images and video they can of their travels. Another option is pairing the Canon EOS 5D Mark III, a reliable DSLR, with a Canon f35mm f/2 lens for crisp, stable photos you can snap in any sort of lighting. You can also check out the best waterproof cameras. Number 3. Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 Camera. The Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 is only 87 inches thick but packed full of great features like a 20MP resolution and high-quality CCD image sensor, all at a super low price. If you're on a budget, you won't want to miss this camera. The Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 is the perfect point-and-shoot camera to stick in your pocket for quick shots or videos while you're traveling. And since it's not super expensive, you won't have to worry too much if it gets stolen or lost. The ELPH 180 has a ton of features packed into its compact frame, like a 20-megapixel CCD sensor and added image stabilization features that you don't see in many cameras in this price range. This camera for traveling takes decent pictures, although they are nothing compared to high-end models, even with its 20MP sensor. This is to be expected, of course, but the camera suffers the most in dim light situations. It features an 8x zoom and a really large 5-inch display, which makes operating the camera and reviewing your shots easier than most compact cameras for travel we tested. The lack of full HD video recording made us hesitate, but with all the other features you get with this little Canon at such a low price, we couldn't pass it up. If you want some underwater action, the best underwater camera is for you. Number 4. Nikon Coolpix B500 Camera. The Nikon Coolpix B500 excels at providing a simple user experience while still giving you excellent pictures and videos. And with a price point under $500, This travel camera is perfect for beginners or those who need a backup travel camera. One of the best things about the Nikon Coolpix B500 bridge camera is the wide range of shooting modes available to you. If you're just starting with photography, this is super helpful when you find yourself in different situations while traveling. Simple switch the camera to the appropriate mode for your environment and let the machine do its work. Unfortunately, this means there is no manual exposure control, which can be frustrating as you start to skill up. If you are looking for the best mirrorless camera, we have you covered there too. With full HD video recording and a powerful 16-megapixel sensor, you'll pretty much be able to capture anything you'd like in really good quality. We were even impressed that we could get still images when zoomed in the full 40x. One downside we really noticed while shooting was the lack of a physical viewfinder on the Coolpix. It only has an electronic viewfinder. That made for some unnecessary frustration as we tried to hone in on our subjects. However, the tiltable LCD display was helpful when we wanted to take pictures at awkward angles. Then again, taking pictures at odd angles is what the best drones are for. It has all of the features we want in the best point-shoot camera. Another great option for travel is the Sony CyberShot DSC RX107, which is one of the best cameras of small, compact size but with an impressive autofocus system.